Go.
Hey guys, welcome back to Fast, Slow, or whatever you want to call it. Can I build or not?
No, he can't.
I can't.
Because my hand is right here, and I'm going to help him build. Yes.
Great for him. But right now, he's gonna stop,
Thanks.
or I will turn this video off.
Oh, okay. I'll stop.
Hey,
Okay.
He has a brain, guys.
What are you gonna build, Mason?
Okay, we're building a Rubik's Cube. Fun times, right?
I know, right? Yep. Totally.
First, I'm gonna be mean.
It's the Holy Grail.
I'm being mean today. Look. That's just a flat piece. If you can see that, look. It's one of those plus one of these together makes one of these. Fun.
Wow.
Okay, right? We take that one of these, and on top of it, we put our blue. Blue goes in the middle. Except, right now we have a problem. But we will solve that later.
What's the problem?
We will see.
Okay, then.
And then we take the red.
Yes, the red.
And we
Ooh,
place it
nice.
down.
Oh my god.
There.
That's nice.
Grandma is happy.
Oh, that's nice.
And then we take the orange. Okay. And then we take the green. Of course, you can do this in any order that you want. So right now, we have this. Our 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Except we're making a 3x3. Do not fret.
Yeah, we're making a 3x3 kind of.
I mean, we're trying.
Yeah.
Legos are difficult because they're longer than they are tall. So it's actually a 4x3, but hey, tell no one. Right?
Because nobody's watching this.
Because we are sad and have no friends.
No, we have Jamie.
No, Jamie's not a friend.
Yes,
He's
he
an
is.
enemy.
No, he's not.
Why did we express his name on live YouTube?
Because
We're
they don't
demons.
know who he is.
Yes, but they can find him.
No, they can't.
Oh, we never posted that video. Okay, we're good.
Yeah, we never. Yeah, we didn't.
And we're not going to. You will never know. You might actually. Yes. Your mom.
No, my mom is downstairs.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Yeah.
Sometimes I just do.
He just does. Yep. He's mentally ill.
Yes, very much so.
He's almost done. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Has he done it?
He has.
Has he created a legitimate? No, he hasn't.
Thy.
I have done it. Yeah. Good times though with Mason Crocker.
Yeah.
You should check the link down
You just
in the
exposed your
description.
name.
What?
You just exposed your name.
You already knew my name.
We did.
Yeah,
We didn't know your last name.
we did know my name.
Yeah, okay.
We did. Bye, children. Because. Wait, hold on. I've got my skill. If you have realized in the video that we really messed up in finding pieces, hey, that doesn't matter because you can fix that and you cannot be as dumb as us.
Yep. You can buy new Lego pieces.
Except, I'm not actually holding on. That is a gift. Only geniuses see this.
Like, subscribe,
And, yes.
comment.
Death. Blue.
Bye.
Stop.
Bye.
We also forgot orange.
Bye.
No.
Bye.
Blue.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Except if it's about Theo, then you can comment. If it's about me, you can't.